Make a great choice today with the 2013 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, chrome rear bumper, manual sliding rear window, privacy glass. Inside you'll find cruise control. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.